How to master the art of saying no, the professional skill that protects your time, energy, and focus. See Scene 1, 15 seconds a Euro aerial shot. The ability to say no is one of the most consequential professional skills that almost nobody is taught. From the earliest stages of our careers, we are rewarded for saying yes euros, for being helpful, available, accommodating, for never turning down an opportunity or a request from a colleague or superior. The result is that most professionals arrive at mid-career with calendars that belong entirely to other people, with no protected time for their most important work, and with a vague sense that they are extremely busy while accomplishing very little that genuinely matters. The uncomfortable truth is that saying yes to everything is not a virtue euros. It is a failure to set priorities, and it compounds over time into a